1.8 million views, 293,000 views, 284,000 views. Those aren't random numbers. Those are real view counts from a YouTube channel called Time for Growth. And here's where it gets wild. This channel has uploaded just 34 videos and already grown to over 77,000 subscribers. Even crazier, this channel started only 6 months ago. 6 months. Most people are still stuck planning their first upload, and this channel is already pulling serious attention. Now let's talk money, because this is what really opens people's eyes. Based on estimates, this channel is earning anywhere from $428 to over $1.2 thousand. And no, they're not showing their face. They're not filming vlogs. They're not using expensive cameras or studios. They're creating simple AI-style animation motivational videos. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these same types of videos completely for free, step by step, from the idea to the script to the voiceover to the visuals, all the way to uploading. Before we even start, let me show you a video I just created using this exact system so you can see what's possible when you follow this process correctly.
You wake up already tired, not from sleep, from thinking about the day you haven't even started. You reach for your phone, not because you want to, because your hand knows the way. Messages, noise, someone else's life. And before you've even stood up, your brain is already behind. You tell yourself you'll focus later. You'll start after breakfast, after work, after tomorrow. And none of those moments ever come. Days blur, weeks vanish. You're busy, but you're not building. You're doing things, but nothing feels done. You're not lazy. You're exhausted from carrying potential that never gets used. You replay the same thoughts at night. I should be further by now. I know I'm capable of more. Why do I keep doing this? Not with anger. It's the promise of later. It's that soft voice that says, you deserve a break, even when you've been resting your dreams for years. But here's the truth. You don't need more motivation. You need a different identity. Not the version of you who reacts, the version who decides.
And real quick, if you want more tutorials like this, real strategies, and breakdowns that actually work in 2026 and beyond, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. It helps massively, and you won't want to miss what's coming next. Let's get into it. Step 1. Generate viral video ideas. Step 1 is where everything starts, ideas. And instead of guessing or wasting hours scrolling, we're going to let AI do the heavy lifting. First, go to the channel you want to model and simply take a screenshot of the channel page. That's it. No deep analysis, no spreadsheets. Now open ChatGPT, click the plus icon, choose Upload Photo, and upload that screenshot. I've already given you the exact prompt to use, so all you need to do is tell ChatGPT that you want to create a channel in this niche and ask it to suggest a channel name. Instantly, ChatGPT will generate multiple names. I'm going with Mindset Mode. It sounds clean, modern, and memorable. Once the name is locked in, tell ChatGPT you've chosen Mindset Mode, and now ask it to generate video ideas similar to this channel that can get millions of views. ChatGPT will break this down into proven, high-performing formats. For example, one idea it gave me was, this 5 a.m. routine changed my brain. Simple, curious, clickable. That's the one I'm picking. And just like that, you've got a viral-ready idea in minutes. Step 2. Generate voiceover. Next, open the Google Doc file I provided and find the script generation prompt. First thing, replace the title with your own video title. Then copy the entire prompt. Open ChatGPT or any AI model you like, paste the prompt, and hit generate. Instantly, you'll get a high-retention, emotion-driven script ready to use. Once it's done, copy the full script and head to 11 Labs. Choose your narration voice, paste the script, click generate, and download the audio. And just like that, you have your voiceover. Step 3. Generate images. Go back to the Google Doc file and copy the image prompt provided. Open a fresh ChatGPT chat, paste the prompt, and hit generate. ChatGPT will pause and ask for your script. Copy your voiceover script. Paste in your script, and instantly ChatGPT will generate multiple image prompts in the exact visual style these viral channels use. Next, open your AI image generator. I use Whisk, but any tool works. Paste the first prompt, change the aspect ratio to 16:9 for YouTube longform, and generate the image. Whisk will give you 2 images. Pick one, take a screenshot, then upload it back as a reference image. Regenerate, and now your character stays consistent. Then it's rinse and repeat. Copy the prompt for scene 2, paste it, hit generate, boom. Scene 3, paste, generate. Keep going until all images are done. Once your images are ready, it's time to animate them. Step 4. Animate your images. You can use any animation tool you want, but I prefer Flow AI. Start by creating a new project, then switch from text to video to ingredient to video. Before you hit generate, quickly check your settings. Make sure the aspect ratio is 16:9, the output is set to 1, and the model is VO 3.1 fast to save credits. Upload your first image, then paste in the same prompt you used to generate that image. Click generate, and Flow will turn that image into an animation. Then repeat the exact same process. Upload the scene 2 image, paste the scene 2 prompt, hit generate. Scene 3, same thing. Keep going until all your images are animated. Step 5. Combine in CAPCUT. Now it's time to bring everything together. Open CAPCUT and import all your files, your animations, and your voiceover. Arrange the clips in order, then drag the voiceover into the timeline so everything lines up smoothly. Next, add a caption to make the video more engaging and easier to follow. Keep it clean and readable. Don't overdo it. Once everything looks good, hit export, save the video, and you're done. Here's an example of the final result. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel